Yup. Yup. I think he went a hole in the back of his shirt. Yup, we get Kanalu. Oh, viral boy. What should I tell all the aunties in the comment section? No, you guys are weird. You like them. And then we got... Oh.
I'm stuck.
What did you do? Oh. The new pool. Oh my god, I want to fish so sorry. No, you're blocking your face. Unreal. It goes under, but I don't feel the bite. I think I might have to switch back to my other hook. 15. Oh, I got smoked right there. Oh! Oh shit! Oh! No way. Bro, that feels like a papio. Oh, cause that feels good. Yeah, it is.
Purple?
Yeah! Oh shit! Oh, that's an omilu. No, that's a papio. Yeah, you fuckers. Second papio.
Are you kidding me?
Hey, can you reel in my pole?
That's crazy.
Yo, this is an actual papio too. Here, walk backwards.
Can you keep this one?
I'm gonna throw them back. I hear that they don't taste very good. You have to lift the pole up.
Fucking, you need help. Push up your booty.
Oh, if you like to have my booty, you can just say that. Shit. Nice. Wow. Wow. What the fuck?
What's the hype over these fish?
These are baby ulua.
Oh, I got you. Okay.
Yeah. Well, you guys put the pole down. Thank you. Oh, it's grunting. Yes. Wait, maybe you stand on this side of me. The sun. No, this side. Yeah. Yeah, boys. Oh, this is a nice fish. You want to touch him? He's smooth.
Ooh.
Yes, sir, boys. Okay.
Catch and release.
I'm gonna catch him now.
Yeah. Just catch that guy over and over.
Kill.
Biggest
What you mean cobweb?
no, because it's a new rule, yeah. So bird's nest. Bro, we said cobweb.
Cobweb.
Cobweb, he said.
Not bird nest.
Binoculars, that's
Never say bird nest. Even I know that.
what that is, bro.
Bird nest.
Something your bird's nest, something over.
So beautiful. Yeah, boys. Another papio on the board. Kanalu is losing. No papios. Nah, just kidding. We go show you what Kanalu caught.
I was gonna say, show them what he caught.
Kanalu's cleaning up the reef. To'ao, ta'ape. And that's a video. Raja. Fuck, let's go see if we can catch another one.
I don't know, float.
Float and shrimp. That's how I caught the last one too. Hey, get away from my spot, boy. That's where I caught him. Keep Hawaiian lands. Hold, I think once it smoked it the way it did, I kind of figured, I'm like, oh, that's definitely a papio. That's how the last one fought too. See, I know how papios feel, yeah?
Oh, yeah?
I know how they feel, bruh. Throw one of these hooks on, Preston.
Huh?
Throw one of my bigger hooks on. The J hook.
I get a pretty big hook.
Yeah, I don't know that. I was using that straight up sort of hook. It wasn't working, but you switched to this one.
And hit.
Switch this one and it hit.
Using.
Yeah. Right, boys, if you like catch papio, this is what worked for me. Both times. Fuck yeah. Yeah, I hear they taste pretty bad. Or like they taste good. They taste good, but like there's better tasting fish, right? Kind of thing. I don't know. I'm just yapping. We go catch another one. It was right here on the inside too. Right over there. Oh, that thing ripped. Oh, smoked again. Holy crap. Holy shit.
Where you at?
Holy shit. What is that? I think it's a big to'ao. Holy crap. Oh yeah, to'ao. Oh, that's a keeper. Yeah. To'ao. Yeah. First keeper to'ao that I've ever caught. Sick. Where'd the gloves go? Yeah, keeper to'ao too. Man. Because I think papios have to be 10 inches. Do you think that was a 10-inch fish?
This?
No, the last one. I think that was 10 inches. That was a keeper.
Yeah.
Shit.
We also didn't bring anything to keep anything.
Yeah, I didn't keep it. I'm throwing this one back
Our
too.
freezer is full.
No, don't throw it out.
You want this one?
Yeah, keep it.
Okay.
I'll fry that tonight.
No, you can have this one. Yes, sir, boys.
Anything, as long as it's not a fucking Roy.
To'ao. Yeah.
Fucking Roy, I'm not really touching.
Nah, it's okay. The papio is gonna be the main part of this video.
Can I pet him?
Yeah, be careful with spikes. Slimy, huh?
It's not a pet.
Yeah, you slimy, huh?
It's not a pet. You can't pet it.
I just did.
You ain't slimy.
Fucker.
Ew.
Yeah.
Hey, boy, what you doing over there in my eye now?
No kidding.
Okay.
Island girl.
Stop resisting! What knife? Hey, Preston! Where's your knife? Is this your knife? Never mind. Oh yeah, we have poke. Yes, sir! Whoa, what you got? Oh, a baby hoggy! Oh, that is the smallest hoggy I've ever seen.
That's the same size as I thought yesterday.
Bro, that is the smallest hoggy I've ever seen in my life. Oh, I think it's blue though, yeah?
Kill it.
Fuck, can I look?
Yeah, you look right at me, you fucker. I would kill you.
Oh, this hoggy is tiny, bruh.
Man, that's what the frick he's biting, bro. I don't want to even touch this stupid shit. What's bad about it?
Hoggies?
Yeah, something about you can't touch it or something.
No?
Or was it their teeth?
Yeah, they have teeth.
No, it's not ugly.
Yeah, fuckers get some chompers. Chompas.
Yeah.
Bro, that is the smallest hoggy I've ever seen. You gotta pose up with it.
I think we caught a smaller one yesterday.
For real?
Yeah. Oh, I don't want to snap my hole. Ew. What is that? Having a seizure. Ugh. Farting over.
No, that's the noise they make. That's their gunshot sound. They're triggerfish. Hold them up, hold them up. Oh, that's your shrimp. Your bait. What the?
Yes, sir. Oh, and shit all over the
Ugh. Go rinse my glove off. Fucking gross. Oh yeah, so. Kanalu's back in the lead.
On my tree to your.
Yeah.
Yeah, but if we're going based off a size, I still gotta catch like 6 more small.
Like 5 or 6 more, yeah.
Yeah.
I didn't catch one legendary fish. She caught uncommon. Fucking nerds.
Yeah, this is already the end of the video. But I just want to post this part just to show you that you should always bring tobbies and watch where you step when you're fishing. Because you're going to end up in the water like me.
Oh no!
And yeah, that was unreal.
We in!
Okay, I didn't shoot.
We in the water! Fuck yeah. Unreal. Yeah. Caught a stickfish. Okay boys, that's the end of the video. You already know we can score. But yes, all, thanks for watching. Okay, then shoot.